What's up?
You recording?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
You want to say that? All right, let me turn it. Hold on. Hold on.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
YouTube video. Here we go. Hyundai Sonata, man. You guys seen it before. You know, Jada's over there changing his lug nuts. And we're gonna do a quick partial tune-up. What's up? Jack it up. So what happened?
It just moved.
All right, so figure it out before you jack it. You gotta jack it up some more. But anyways, quick tune-up and partial tune-up. But we're gonna change these spark plug lines and spark plugs itself, which is pretty simple. It's only 4 of them right on the top. And we're gonna do an oil change. All right. We bought some lugs, STP filters, and then we're gonna change the ignition coils while we're there. I don't know why it's so hard to come out. Tight box. Boom. Spark plugs, ignition coils, some hubcaps, and spark plug wires. This is one of them. That's not it. Again. No. The fuck? 3 sockets with 5/8. That's definitely not it. It's too big. Let's figure it out. I don't know. Normally the spark plug socket works. Oh, it's too small. 13, 16, let's see. Bingo! Gotta love it. All right, 13/16. All right. Spark plug number 1 or 4. Oh man, that's not good. Hear that squeaky noise? Oh, and I need a magnet. Give me a second, but yeah, that's how we're doing it right now. Doing 1 cylinder at a time and replace it 1 by 1 and then keep on going. So I bought Acdelco Spark plugs since we're in America. Might as well see how good American shit is. Looks pretty good. All right. Oh, look, Jada. So I'll show you the difference.
Yeah.
See the burnt tip, how smaller it is over there compared to this one? So that's the difference right there. And that gap in between the two.
Word, that should shave down.
Yeah, now these, Denso, I don't know if these are definitely not. Oh, Japan. Wait, hold on. These might be the originals.
What, the ones you ordered?
No, the ones that's in the car right now. I don't know. No, this can't be the originals. I don't believe it, y'all. I don't believe that. I don't believe that one. That's crazy to me. That is crazy. Let's see. That's crazy, though. So now, with spark plugs, I won't use the machine.
Damn, I think I put them too tight.
Why?
Because when you told me to stop, I wanted to like.
Oh no, but it's too late after that. Now, what you're gonna do is the best thing after this is go to the flat fix today or tomorrow. Tell me you want to put air and you want to tighten up all your lug nuts.
Right. So they loosen them and then tighten them.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Yeah, I was gonna do that anyway. I'm drafting it, bro.
What? do it with your hand. Push out. The other ones felt like they were supposed to be there. So, my knowledge on spark plugs, I've never seen a spark plug clap.
Yeah, you done with this cup, right?
Yeah. I'm not putting it on. Magnet Christmas gift, y'all. Look at that one, bro. Fried, baby.
I believe it.
Fried. It's okay.
I'm telling you, I think all of them is like that. All of them shits is fried. The way that shit was driving, all them shits is fried.
You got one that's worse than the other.
And then it was affecting the heat as well.
Well, the whole car, if it's not running right,
Yeah.
it's not gonna produce the same shit.
I couldn't put the heat higher than 2. Once it go over 2, it shut off. And then it starts shaking even more.
So we got well, you should go use white shirt. That's cool.
Fuck. Shit don't look new.
It's new. It just been in there for years, nigga. In this bag.
Crazy.
That's cool though. If you look at the difference, you can definitely see a difference, and you can feel it. I mean, this one looks worn out.
Yeah, it does.
See,
And
look,
the tip is
look
different
how
too.
it's bent too. If you look at it, see the bentness.
The whole thing look even the black piece right here is different.
But see how this is actually bent, bro. It's really broken.
Oh yeah, it is bad.
It's crazy. So we gotta put a new spark plug. Wow. Sick.
It's Ruben's fault.
Huh.
He started it.
Nah, but it had to get changed, like I said. Once
I
I
know.
got that car,
I made it worse.
I already knew that.
But he was probably, all them speeding tickets
Nah, like I said, I think they was already bad prior to.
before you got it.
Yeah, because remember I did the valve cover gasket, which was spraying out. So right under the valves is the spark plug. So it would be stupid for us to believe that nothing went wrong. Just the valve. Now, this is big on the whole spark plug shit. You gotta do it with a ratchet, you can't do it with a gun. Yeah, this is big though. This shit gonna be firing on all cylinders now.
Word.
Thought it was good before. I already see you. You're gonna be wilding tonight. Instagram gonna be going crazy. Like, woo! On the highway. Like, what the fuck, bro? Chill out. Told
Only
you.
tonight, and that's
Yeah,
it.
that's it. Tomorrow you're gonna be good.
That's it. Only tonight. Because if I keep doing it, I'm gonna end up at the same spot I'm at
to the same
now.
spot. Exactly.
So wait, how often should you change spark plugs? Like every 3 months?
Every 2 years, bro.
Every 2 years?
Yeah, this is original old too.
God
This is
damn.
18 years old
Oh
already. What do you
wow! I'm surprised them shits didn't been fried.
think? Nah, that's why the car still turns on and just not. Look.
That could be why the muffler is acting up too. Fuck around, the muffler is not as bad as we think.
Nah,
It
the
still
muffler's
needs to be
cracked.
changed
Yeah,
though.
the muffler's cracked. See, look at that one. Only goes to the top. It doesn't even drop now.
Probably change the muffler next week.
See. That's what's gonna go. We're still alive.
Huh?
We're still alive.
Talking about the Advil.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know.
Don't worry, I'll clip it.
You gotta edit that out, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Don't worry. Good. That's the good thing about YouTube. We edit our shit.
Yeah, before you post it.
These spark plugs are making noise like I never heard before.
And then whoever smart guy had this car before you, nigga puts 2 different size lug nuts on this one.
Nah, that was my cousin. My cousin's an idiot. He just went to the local shop and was like, "Yo, I'm having a problem. Can you help me out?" And nigga's like, "Yeah, you're missing a lug nut here."
Let me just throw this on.
Yeah. He says, "As long as it works, man." Look at this one, fried too. Ooh, number 3, man, fried.
I'm telling you, all them shits is fried.
Yeah, it works every time.
It's like the closer you get to the engine, the more it's fried. Right?
Well, they're all on the same level. It's just that 1, 2, 3, 4. So the probably cylinder 1 is probably more burnt out than cylinder 4. So that's crazy. I really opened up this whole thing, so I don't know if it makes sense that it has any problems. It's a very simple job on this Hyundai, so
Word.
definitely recommend doing this shit. Definitely. And good thing that Rock Auto really was a man of its word, man. They got it to us in a day. Even though FedEx didn't want to bring it.
Yeah, word. It did come yesterday.
But it still was here, you know. Last night we could have literally picked it up at Walgreens, so that was a good thing.
But it really made no sense because we weren't going to do this in the night.
Yeah, but worst case scenario, let's say if I had the shop.
Yeah, we would have been good.
We would have just picked that shit up and did it last night. Like, yeah, fuck it.
Yo, we out to the shop. Right now.
Alright. So the only thing about these little aftermarket ones right here is like, see, they're a little bit higher, but that doesn't change anything. Just a little bit higher than the closing gap, probably.
Yo, slide that to me.
Like this?
Yeah.
I just want to see it. Look at this one. This is a little different from the other one. The other one had mad moisture on it.
Yeah.
And this one
That
doesn't.
shit is bent too.
Oh, this is rubber. So,
Oh.
I could have bought you just this. You might want to even save these.
What?
The coil. The coils are not bad.
Yeah.
You could buy this piece by itself
Mm.
and do it next time if you ever have a problem. Or you can just throw them out.
Fuck it, we keep everything. I guess. That is a key. Just in case.
I mean, for the price you pay, you buy a new one.
Yeah. I guess. Makes no sense.
I'm just telling you, like if you had a shop, like if I had the shop, throw that shit in the shop.
True.
Somebody come in like, yo, my coil, I think my coil, all right, give me a second, I got this extra one.
Yeah.
And you put your shit on, see if it works. But you're not gonna want to put an old one anyway.
Yeah.
Next time you have an issue, get a new one.
Now I got 4 extras.
Exactly.
That shit looks like the worst one yet.
I think the last one I took out was the worst one.
The last one or the first
We
one?
got burnt that shit at the ends.
Oh.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, but this one, look.
Nah, you're right, but look, even the tip, this one right here is the worst.
No, look at this one. It changed color. It's mad dark.
Yeah, this is burnt.
That shit was probably on fire.
They do catch on fire.
Crazy,
So
huh?
look, so now you got these. This is what we doing right now, man. I finished those spark plugs. Show you all the mess. You can tell these are bad. Look at that. Horrible shit. But yeah. That's how it looks now, nice and clean. You do an oil change. So it should look perfect. What are you talking about?
Not the middle though.
What do you mean? The middle is just supposed to look like that, bro. All right, spark plugs is changed. Now it's time for this oil change since we already got it up. And we don't need a oil filter remover because I can do everything with my hands on this one. But besides the plug is like a 15 millimeter. And that's it. And we're using Mobile1, man. The best one, the best motor oil I know of so far. So, got it. Once again. Nah, Mobile1, I told y'all, man, we already done. Took off the cap, I changed the filter, we're filling up, and this job is done. We're gonna turn it on in a second. This is the end of the video, man. Look, you left the key in the trunk. Oh. Cold?
What?
You cold?
Nah, I threw the joint in the extra lug nuts. I threw it in there.
I want the truth. What? So there you go, problem solved. Look, it sounds good already. Let it calm down. Nah, let's leave it on though. Let it warm up. Nah, it's not. I just ran that shit on a gallon of gas for like 30 minutes. Look at the white smoke coming out right in the back. It's good though. All right, we're done. Cleanup time.